up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to another video, and let's head to the junk. So we're gonna head out to the junk right now and try to find some visors for my Corolla. Going down to the Chula Vista Picker Park, and I always have a lot of success there. But fingers crossed, there's 80s Toyotas out there, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're here. Got here kind of late. It's like 11 something now, so I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna get these I'm gonna grab some food at the food truck. Limon Mexican food. Man, if you guys aren't from San Diego, and if you ever come visit, you gotta try a food truck. Get yourself a California burrito. Change your life. It changed my life. I'm gonna eat this burrito and then I'm gonna go in. Damn, that burrito was heavy, but oof, hella good. Looking through Forerunners, see if I can find anything good. So just pick this one up. I might buy it. It's for a 95 Celica. Looks good. I like how it has a surround around it. I'm thinking its door's a little slimmer. I feel like it's more protected. Maybe I'm just dreaming. Alright guys, so FC RX-7. Took these off. Maybe I'll use them. Maybe I'll sell them. But let's go look at the other side. Still in the car right here. There it is. RX-7 calipers. There they are, guys. Picked them up. $27 each. I bought that pocket too. It came out to like 50 something. So it came out to oh, that's not it, but yeah, this is it. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. What I decide, I'm gonna take them home, clean them, and we'll see what I decide to do with them. There you go. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Went to the junk, Chula Vista, California, here in San Diego. Got myself a burrito. It was amazing. And then I got the front FC3S calipers. I don't know if they're really FC calipers. And I remember Max Perez's post about him having the brackets that he's making, so check him out. But maybe looking forward to picking up a set from him. Who knows? What else? I think that's it. Hopefully I'll be able to utilize it in future videos and throw them onto the Corolla for you guys to see. And hit me up on the mod on YouTube and Instagram. My channel, my Instagram usually has things that are previewing the videos that come out today. And I just want to thank everybody for supporting this channel. All the guys on Instagram who are always replying, and everybody who replies to the videos here. Thanks and have a great day.